welcome back to Rock. In the last video we learned to solve the first layer of the cube, and now it's turn for the second layer. So without any further ado, let's get started. Basically, the second layer is very easy to solve because it has only two cases. First, the normal one, and second, the mis-slotted one. In the second layer, we just have to set the edges in these 4 slots. So it's very easy. You just need to learn only one algorithm, or you can say it a set of moves. So let's start with a blue and red one. So let's find this edge. Here it is. So I'll match pink with pink. Here it is matched. I'll move it away from both of these, blue and pink one, okay, and do this. See, left one up, match pink with pink, bring it down, then again rotate to blue one, and then move it around, drag the edge up, restore it, and that's it. This edge is solved. So now let's move on to green and orange one. So here is the green and orange. I need an edge which has green and orange color. So here it is. I'll match first green with green. Here it is matched, and here it's the orange one. I'll move it away from orange and green and do this. Up, match green with green, put it down, rotate to orange, move it away, drag this one up, and then restore. So this one was the basic case. Let's solve the first. Let's have the mis-slotted edge one. I have this one flipped, or you can say it flipped edge. So I'll just take it out like this. First I'll drag this up, move it away like this. I'll show you here from that green one. Restore it. So I have restored it, and see, the edge is not here. So let's find where the edge is. Here, the edge is here. There, green and pink one. So I'll match pink with pink and do the regular process. And it's solved. It's very easy. Thanks. That's all for today. See you soon. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.